Hello everyone, and welcome to this video about one of the hottest topics in the job market today. Will AI take your job? As we continue to see more and more automation in different industries, it's natural to wonder if machines will replace humans in the workforce entirely. But what's the truth behind all the hype? Let's find out. First, let's take a closer look at what AI actually is. Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science that deals with creating machines that can perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. AI can be found in various forms, including chatbots, robotic process automation, and machine learning algorithms. AI has already been implemented in several industries to automate tasks that were previously performed by humans, such as customer service, data entry, and even surgery. So, with all this automation going on, will AI take your job? The short answer is yes, it's already happening. However, the real question is how much and what kinds of jobs will be affected. According to a report by the World Economic Forum, by 2025, machines and algorithms will displace around 85 million jobs, but they will create around 97 million new jobs. So, while there will be some job loss due to automation, there will also be plenty of new opportunities. But what kinds of jobs are most at risk? Typically, the jobs that are most susceptible to automation are those that involve repetitive, low-skilled tasks. For example, jobs in manufacturing, data entry, and customer service are all areas where machines are already being used to automate tasks. On the other hand, jobs that require more creativity, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence, such as teaching, healthcare, and marketing, are less likely to be automated. In conclusion, the rise of AI and automation will undoubtedly change the job market, but it won't necessarily lead to mass unemployment. While some jobs will be lost, new opportunities will also arise. The key is for workers to adapt to the changing job market by developing new skills and embracing new technologies. As AI continues to evolve, it's essential to remember that it's not the enemy, but rather a tool that can be used to improve our lives and make work more efficient. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content.